Are you still looking for a free AI-generated tool?
Welcome back to the channel. If you've been searching for a truly free, unlimited, and fully local AI video generator, you're going to love what I'm about to show you. AI video technology is evolving insanely fast, but finding a tool that's powerful, easy to use, and runs entirely on your own computer? That's a whole different challenge. And finding one that supports text-to-video, image-to-video, continue video, and even end image control? Almost impossible. Until today. Because in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to deploy a completely free AI video generation system right on your PC, and how to run some of the most advanced open-source models available right now. WAN 2.2, Hunyuan 1.5, and LTX2. These models don't just generate video.
Lights flicker when I spit, yeah that's me. London in my veins, moving fast, no sleep.
They can also produce audio and narration just like Sora and VO3, and the results are shockingly good. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. Before we get started, you'll need to make sure your computer is powerful enough to run these AI video models. Since the models must fully load into your system before they can generate video, your hardware plays a crucial role. If you're aiming for high-quality output, the requirements, especially for your GPU, will be higher. But don't worry, even mid-range or lower-end machines can often perform much better than you'd expect. The most important component is your graphics card. You'll need a dedicated GPU, ideally an NVIDIA card. In general, 6 to 8 gigabytes of VRAM is enough to get started, but the more VRAM you have, the faster the generation will be, the longer your clips can be, and the more stable the process becomes. If you're using Windows, here's how to check your VRAM. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Click Performance on the left, then select GPU. At the bottom, you'll see Dedicated GPU Memory, which shows your VRAM size. For example, my computer has 12 gigabytes of VRAM, so everything runs very smoothly. Again, as long as you have at least 6 gigabytes, you're ready to start experimenting. Throughout this entire process, we'll be using a tool called Pinocchio. If you've ever installed AI tools or models before, you know how complicated it can get. Different Python versions, CUDA setups, endless dependencies can be a real headache. Pinocchio simplifies all of that. It handles the installation and configuration for you, almost like a one-click installer for AI tools. To get Pinocchio, just visit the link provided in the description below this video. Once you're on the Pinocchio website, click Download. It supports Mac, Linux, and Windows. Since I'm using Windows, I selected Download for Windows and ran the installer. The installation is quick, and once it's done, you'll see the main Pinocchio interface. Click on Discover, and you'll find a list of verified scripts you can install. I highly recommend browsing through them. There are image generators, voice cloning tools, text-to-speech models, and much more. In the list of scripts, you'll find the first one called WAN 2GP. This is the tool we'll be using today to generate AI videos. One of its biggest advantages is that it allows you to run multiple popular video models, such as WAN 2.2 and LTX, within the same interface. Click on WAN 2GP to open it, and you'll see the installation page. Select One-Click Install with Pinocchio. When prompted to save the project as wan.git, just keep the default name and click Download. You'll quickly move to the next window, click Install. Here, you'll see a list of all the dependencies required for the project. Without Pinocchio, you would have to install each of these manually, but Pinocchio handles everything automatically, making the process much easier. As you can see, I still have 3 dependencies that haven't finished installing yet. Scroll to the bottom and click Install. The installation process may take a little while, so just let it run. Once the installation finishes, you'll be taken to another window. Hover your mouse over the link at the top and click it. This will open a new page. On that page, you'll see a Start button. Click it to launch the service. Take a little time. But once everything is loaded, you'll be brought into the web UI, which is the interface we'll use to generate our AI videos. I'm now inside the first tab, the video generator. You'll notice 3 main selection boxes here. When you open the drop-down under WAN 2.1, you'll see a list of nearly all the popular open-source video models available today: WAN 2.2, Hunyuan, LTX, Flux, Qwen, and more. For this tutorial, I'll be using the LTX2 model. It's a relatively new AI video model, and one of its standout features is its ability to generate audio or background music along with the video. The output quality is surprisingly close to Google's Veo 3 and even OpenAI's Sora 2. Next to it, there's another drop-down with 2 options: default and distilled. I'm choosing distilled because it's roughly half the size of the full model, around 15 to 20 gigabytes, making it much more practical for consumer-grade GPUs. At the top menu, click Configuration, then go to Performance. Scroll down and you'll find the Memory Profile section, which includes several preset options. Take a moment to look through them and choose the profile that best matches your computer's RAM and GPU VRAM. This ensures the model runs smoothly on your system. Once your configuration is set, go back to the top menu and click Video Generator. Scroll down a bit and you'll see several different ways to run the model. The simplest option is text-only generation, where you describe the scene you want using a prompt. But there are more powerful options available. Start video with image. If you want to create a longer video, you can upload your own image as the starting frame. Continue video. Upload an existing video and let the model automatically extend it. End images. You can even specify the final frame of your video for precise control. Each option has its own prompt box where you can describe exactly what you want. Of course, you'll need to spend some time experimenting with different settings, features, and prompt variations. Take your time and play around with it. The more you explore, the better your results will get. With enough system memory and GPU power, you can create long, fully controlled videos locally, completely free, with no limits and no subscriptions. Pretty close to the dream AI tool, right? Let's start with the basic text prompt. You'll see a prompt box. Paste your prepared prompt here. There's also a sample prompt you can use if you just want to test things quickly. You can keep it, modify it, or delete it and write your own. The sample includes character dialogue, which highlights one of the biggest strengths of the LTX2 model. Your prompt can specify narration, character speech, or even multi-character conversations. This model can generate both video and audio, which is a major advantage. As with most AI models, the more detailed your prompt, the better the results. If you need help refining your prompt, tools like ChatGPT or Gemini are great for brainstorming and adding detail. Below the prompt box, you can choose the video quality from high to low and select the aspect ratio you need: 16:9 for YouTube, 9:16 for TikTok or vertical platforms. I recommend starting with a lower resolution for faster rendering and smoother performance. Also, for the first time to test out. Once everything runs well, you can increase the quality. Here, you can also set the video duration. The default is 24 frames per second. Using the slider, you can extend the video to around 30 seconds, though longer videos take more time to generate. Or you can shorten it to just a fraction of a second. Once all your settings are configured, you're ready to generate your video. The very first generation may take a bit longer because the model needs to fully load into memory. After that initial load, the process becomes much faster. Let's take a look at the final result.
Dad's lost it and we've lost our dad.
Stop showing Dad, Jess. He's just having fun.
And here are a few more videos I generated afterward.
Lights flicker when I spit, yeah, that's me. London in my veins, moving fast, no sleep.
Hold on! This ride's about time to break reality!
Are you still looking for a free AI-generated tool?
Inside your one.git folder, you'll find a subfolder called app. Scroll down and you'll see another folder named outputs. This is where all your AI-generated videos are saved. What's truly impressive is that everything is running locally on your own machine. Pretty amazing, right? You can build your own free, unlimited, subscription-free, fully local AI video generator with complete control over your files and your hardware. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.